Let's also talk follow-up real quick. Now is not the time, if you've got a deal and you're waiting on a contract, for you to sidetrack and go, hey, I just wanted to follow up. I just wanted to check in. I just wanted to see if you had any questions. Okay? Never is the time, if you have a contract where you've sent it and you're waiting for it to get signed, where you call and say, hey, I just wanted to follow up. I just wanted to check in. I wanted to see if you have any questions. All of that is literally like taking a freaking trap door, standing on it, and then handing the person the button to the trap door and going, here's a button if you want to press it. Bing, and you fall to your doom, right? If you're waiting on a contract, the right thing to do when you call them is, hey, wanted to make sure you had the link to sign the agreement, so in Neil's case, we can get you those uniforms on time or ahead of schedule so your right people are dressed appropriately, avoiding those negative reviews that kind of plagued you there for 2024. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. Hey, Travis, Matt Easton over here at Easton University. Wanted to make sure you had the link to sign your team up for the sales training so we could take you from that $9.8 million that you're going to finish this year at, putting you on that path to do over $12 million for next year. I'm going to resend it to you right now, and I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. Be confident, be cool, be calm, be collected. They said they were going to do the damn thing, okay? Don't give them an easy out by saying, I wanted to see if you had any questions about the damn thing. When they already said they were going to do it, and you say, I wanted to see if you had any questions, they're never going to do this. I learned this at 14 years old in a little town called Boulder, Colorado, on the top of Andy Hurt's skateboard ramp. He was a cool kid and I wasn't cool. And I love skateboarding, but man, was I scared to drop into that half pipe, right? If anybody said, hey, do you have any questions? Of course I would have grabbed my board and walked away. Instead, they're like, yo, are you going to drop in, right? And I dropped in and I broke my wrist. Okay, if you want the person to drop in and do it, don't say, do you have any questions? I just wanted to check in. I just wanted to follow up. I just wanted to see what's going on. Hey, wanted to make sure you had the link to sign the agreement. And I'm not saying your customers are going to break their wrist when they do business with you, but you need them to get over their fear and put that front foot on the damn board and step forward and drop in and let's go, right? That's how we follow up on that stuff.
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.